Welcome to the Chronicles of Pipe Smoking. This is lesson 7, Meerschaum pipes. What is Meerschaum? Meerschaum is German for seafoam. Meerschaum is actually fossilized creatures, sea creatures from millions of years ago. Blocks of Meerschaum has to be mined. They're white, 100 feet down, roughly. There's mining shafts. They mine these. It's blocks in with clay. And the blocks come up. There's a bunch of different grades of Meerschaum. And it's known as block Meerschaum. Now, there is a press Meerschaum, which is all the shavings and stuff put together as a composite, and that won't smoke nowhere near as good. It won't color. So, if you're looking to get in Meerschaum pipes, make sure it says block. That's what that means. It's a solid block out of the ground. So, a Meerschaum, brand new, it looks something like this. So the inside of that bowl is pure Meerschaum. It's pure white. That's pure Meerschaum. The outside has a light coating of beeswax, and this is a brand new pipe from the carver. The carver puts a coating of beeswax on there. Now, why does a carver do that? Because Meerschaum is very porous. It's like a microscopic sponge. And what the Meerschaum pipe actually does is it filters moisture, nicotine, goop, juices, all that stuff that burns off with the pipe. With the tobacco, the Meerschaum sucks it through. Now, in order to get that suction, there has to be something on the other side, just like a straw. Just like a straw. On the other side is the wax. So this prevents, and it actually creates, a cooler smoke, a cleaner smoke, because the Meerschaum's doing its job by filtering all that gunk out, nicotine, moisture, tar, all that gets filtered into the pipe. So what happens to this juice? It works its way to the surface, and over many smokes, many bowls, you have a pipe looking like this. This has a lot of bowls through it, and the patina comes out. The patina is the color of the pipe. That's what happens. So, another very important thing, if you're looking into Meerschaums, is when you're smoking your Meerschaum, you cannot let any cake whatsoever form on it. It's actually a tamper, but the scoop works real well from scraping any cake carbon buildup whatsoever. You can't have that in there because the pipe filters that out. So any buildup's going to block the pores, block it from working. So Meerschaums produce that cool smoke because of the filtration process. So you want to keep, as your pipe gets hot, you want to keep your hands off the pipe, because this wax will wear off in time if you keep touching your pipe. As the pipe warms up, you smoke with the stem. But it's just one clean smoke after the next you will experience with a Meerschaum pipe. Meerschaum predates briar. So clay was actually before that. Those little tavern pipes. All right, so that's a brief breakdown of Meerschaum pipes. If you're interested in purchasing one of them, that's how they function. That's how you take care of them. And hope you enjoyed this lesson. And we're going to move on to the next lesson.